Guys, welcome to Nelly's YouTube channel.
Yes.
So today I'm going to take her around so that she may experience feeling of what we feel here.
Yes, guys, I am so excited. I can't wait to share the experience with you. So come with us and enjoy if you're about to experience. Let me not just spoil for you. How do you like my hair, guys? Baby, my hair has shrunk, but I like it like that. Anyway, meanwhile, subscribe.
Oh.
We are on road to
1,000 subscribers and we're so excited. Please
tell a friend.
Tell a friend, share.
This place is super hot. Sasa. This place is super hot. Oh my god.
Mkate wa tambi hiyo, guys. I want to taste it. And then there is also what? I think I'll just taste the cutlet. Yeah. So let me taste the mkate. So guys, I have here mkate and bajia, and then she's added for me these ones, so I'm going to taste them and tell you how.
Is it bajia?
Isn't bajia here? Oh. Guys, they have brought the ukwaju here. It smells amazing, so I'm going to taste this one first and then I tell you. Guys, I tested this one somewhere and I'm testing it here again and I don't like it, but it's nice. It's nice. I understand that this is actually bajia and here they're selling it for 3 for 10 shillings. This whole plate here is 30 bob. Okay. Another type of bajia,
Zakunde.
My girl is the one behind there at the inside.
They're nice. They are.
Yeah? So I'm going to do that one. I can't wait to taste this one. I've heard it's called mkate wa tambi. It's like spaghetti. I don't understand why it's called mkate. This one is nice. This one is nice. Yeah. This one is nice. So we finished. Guys, I love the mkate. I don't know what. Mkate wa tambi. It's nice. I'm tasting this one for the second time and I don't think it's my thing. I like the ones with potatoes. The ones Nairobians call bajia. So we're going to the next stop and I will talk about the ukwaju. I feel like drinking this thing by the way, guys. I love it. Yani nasikia uchungu. Ni kama venye unaweza kwa mwitu na sauce mingi alafu. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Change of plans, guys. We are at Mama Ngina waterfront.
It used to be called Mama Ngina Drive initially.
Yeah, it used to be called, like you've heard, Mama Ngina Drive initially. So here we are here to just snack on a few things before we go. Actually, guys, what we like,
and if you're lucky, you'll see a ship coming in.
Yeah, what I wanted to tell you is that we didn't get an opportunity to have street foods the time I showed you first, but we'll be going in the evening since a lot of people sell the street foods in the evening. So right now we are just at Mombasa to have fun. We're taking measures by the way. We're wearing our mask. You can help us here.
Yeah.
This is the first place I've gotten good breeze, like no jota. But that tungebeba nini? Something to tandika chini. Or
Ungebebana na hiyo mzigo.
sasa hivi nimechoka na sija. I'm telling you inakuchokesha. Unaona vile jua inachokeshanga mtu.
But people are used to it.
Yeah. I think
And people still work here.
Yeah, I'm tired.
Mombasa has the best sceneries, and most of them where I've been to are places that any other person can be and you can just afford. Like this place is just free and the scenery is amazing.
The ocean. Down there and take photos. It looks beautiful and I can't wait to show you guys. I'm having fun. I don't even know what to tell you. I just feel like you should come and experience for yourself, but I will just be giving you sneak peeks of this stuff. Sorry. I had something moving here.
Really?
Yeah. Like they're all there. Look at the fish.
Crabs.
They bite. And I've not tasted prawns. These are good resting places. There's no sun, no pressure.
And it's cool.
And it's cool. You can sit here with your friends.
The bay.
With your bays. Yes, with your bays. So I just want to dip my feet in the sun so that they can cool kidogo. By the way, it's relaxing. And then go to the water kidogo to just dip our feet there.
Nelly, don't go far.
Look what I found!
Look!
It's so beautiful, eh? And I've been collecting stones here a lot. There are stones and this is for my 570 of you. My goodness, my goodness, my goodness.
Oh my gosh. I'm picking them up. Oh my god. Oh my god. I felt like something touched me.
My feet feel relaxed.
I saw something. I saw a crab. I don't know if you can see it. Wait, first, 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 wait, first. Guys, can you see it? It's a crab. Nasikia kuichokoza ndio maana. Can you see it, guys? Oh my god. I'm just here playing with the sand and listen. Can you hear the sounds of the waves? Who comes here and throws this dirty ninyos on the nini? Guys, and by the way, we are at Mama Ngina. Look at the view there. Moving towards us, so we are waiting for it to reach where we are so that we can leave. But it's slowly moving towards us. And guys, don't throw litter on the ocean. Almost getting to us. It has just gotten to the guy who was sitting here. And we're here waiting for it. Like, where kuja tu. I thought to now. Guys, you have not been seeing my face so much. So guys, I've not been seeing my face so much, but now I have to leave. I came here to dust off. And then our next stop. Where are we going next? Hala is my tour guide here by there. So everywhere I'm going with her.
So we're going to have some crisps,
yeah,
and some water. Then we go to Old Town.
Yes. And good enough, we're going to have the experience, all of us, for the first
time.
time.
Then I hear the amazing street food there.
Yeah.
So hopefully we're going to get, because it's still pretty early.
Look at the sheep.
Yeah. Have that.
Let me show you that. Can you see it, guys? Look at the sheep. This thing is big. Yeah. This one is called, I don't know, Hanseatic eagle. Hanseatic eagle. Gosh. Don't you feel like you're seeing things from Santorini, guys? Able subscribe kama huja subscribe. I'm trying to get used to vlogging on the streets because people are looking at me and I'm scared. The golden streets. Guys, I can't wait to go. And the lighting. Let me go again. Hey guys, this is still at Mama Ngina.